So this is of course a combine harvester. I made this for the Geoff Carter challenge at the 50th anniversary of SELMEC. It got my best placing that I've ever done, second equal. So that not bad going. Maybe I'll get first sometime, but I'm going to have to try a bit harder. So the idea of the Geoff Carter challenge is to make a small model, because that's what he did. So this comes from 1970s Set 7 manual, and it really is a cut down version of the model in that manual. It's operational, so there's a band drive from the driving wheel down here to the thresher. There's not a lot else to say about it. I mean, this could be wider, but really in the manual it's also not very wide. Let's just have a look around it. And that's about it.